Today, I'm going to be showing you how to change that downstream O2 sensor on your 3.8 Firebird. Now, this is the sensor I am using, just in case you're wondering, and all you really need is just a simple O2 sensor socket, or you can just use a box-in ramp. Now, in order to get to the sensor, we're going to go on the passenger side behind the catalytic converter. Now, this car's jacked up, raised up on stands. Most likely you're going to have to do that, so make sure you take the proper safety precautions. So here's our catalytic converter, and here's the O2 sensor. Now, someone has done something here prior to me owning the car. Not sure what's going on here. It doesn't look like they moved the O2 sensor location, so that's probably exactly where it is on the rest of them. But this is the catalytic converter, and there's the sensor. Now we're just going to follow the wire right to there, where we can unplug the sensor. It's a little safety latch, a little safety pin we need to remove, and it just unclips right here. There we go. Get that out of the way. Now, sometimes they can be seized up a little bit and a little tight on there. Sometimes you get the exhaust a little warm, but not too hot because you don't want to burn yourself. I let it run for about 30 seconds, but that wasn't enough. So what I'm actually going to do is going to hold it here. See if I can just tap it and bring it loose. There we go. As low as this thing is still to the ground jacked up, it's kind of hard to get some kind of breakover bar and leverage. But obviously the hammer worked just fine. Using what is supplied here, I'm going to put it around the threads. Don't get it on the actual sensor. I never use all of it. Okay. Now it's going to install the sensor. Run this back over the transmission mount like it was. Plug it back in. Reinstall a little lock on it. Make sure it's out of the way of any heat. Alright, so there it is. Downstream is changed. Pretty easy. So sometimes it can be seized on. May have to heat up the exhaust just a little bit. Not too hot. May have to use a hammer or something for leverage to break it loose. But still pretty simple. You can do it yourself in your driveway, on the ground, whatever. Just make sure you do it safely. Now, I hope this information proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.